Hi, I'm Arundhati Srivastava. I'm a Salesforce Consultant at Shopify Private Limited. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about Salesforce application eShopSync for Shopify. Do you have multiple Shopify stores and wondering how to manage them in a single Salesforce instance? eShopSync for Shopify is the right choice. You can sync millions of data from Shopify to Salesforce. It has great user interface and very easy installation. You can synchronize collection, customer, product, orders, draft orders, and opportunity through this application. At the same time, you don't have to worry about manual syncing. It also has the facility of real-time syncing. We have several exciting features which you can set in configuration itself. Let me walk you through the configuration. After properly putting the site URL, store URL token from Salesforce Shopify connector from your Shopify end, you can actually choose for which object you want the real-time synchronization. You can manually map order, opportunity, order line item, and opportunity line item, order fulfillment, and draft orders in object settings. In field mapping section, you can map Shopify fields to Salesforce field for certain objects like account, contact, order, order product, opportunity, opportunity product. Also, you can choose to sync contacts of all orders in single account or in different account. That is, one for order and another for draft order. In opportunity settings, you can set default stages, create contact, create contract, create contract role, and set contract role. For custom field mappings, you can map custom fields for order, order product, opportunity, opportunity product. You can set record types to get the data under the desired record type. You can also set the matching criteria for objects like account, contact, and product to manage the data in the same record in different record type of these objects. To set the matching criteria, you can select fields for Shopify Salesforce and select an operator, as well as by writing a logic in the text box of matching rule. In Shopify end, you just have to create or update a product. It will get synchronized in Salesforce automatically. Likewise, you can do the same for collection, order, and customer. Our application is used and loved by millions of people around the globe. One of the highly known cheese selling company of London, the GEEK, uses our application to manage Shopify data in Salesforce. Now, you have an idea how our application works. For more query, please do contact our support team. We'll be very happy to help you. Bye-bye.